the festive season and we were oh, yeah, to pick it up. Since it's the festive season and we had to introduce the festive collection for 2018. So we took inspiration from a moonlit night. That's why the collection is called Chandni Raat. And everything that you see in the moonlight, the clouds, the stars, even the flowers, and everything that's available on the land gets translated into a neutral, a monochromatic palette. So that's the inspiration behind the collection. And also, it's the 5th anniversary of the label, so we have launched our menswear line as well. So I hope you like the collection, and we'll get a good response on that as well.
Congratulations on that, by the way,
Thank
guys.
you so much. Thank
You're
you so
off to a
much.
great start. So the collection was all about romance. If you can break down exactly what went into creating this and what were the details?
See, we have used a lot of handcrafted techniques since the brand is all about, handcrafted luxury. So we've used a lot of hand techniques which are very laborious, very painstaking. Like we've done the moons, we've done different phases of moons with hand French knots, we've done clouds, we've done embroidered clouds with couching. And the constant endeavor that the label has always made is, we work with various clusters across the country. So providing sustainability in terms of employment, in terms of, from fiber to fabric. This is what the brand and the label always focuses on. So we've worked with the Chanderi cluster. We have worked with artisans from Uttar Pradesh who have done very fine Zardozi techniques also to the collection. And yes, a very modern take with appliques also that we have done this season.
Very nice and light for the modern day bride. So
She's absolute the perfect muse for us. So we've done, for example, she was feeling very comfortable with the lehenga which has pockets. So because these are like everyday requirements, that every woman would need in everyday life. So that's what we take these details into account and try to go a notch higher day by day.
Sammy looks so nice and poised and like comfortable. What was it like walking for them and when they told you when we, wearing this outfit that you're sporting today?
So like you said, the whole collection was extremely beautiful. It was extremely romantic and very soulful, I feel. Especially with what I'm wearing personally, I had two options, but I just feel white is a color which, is just classic. It always looks good. Like they said, I really like what I'm wearing because of the pockets that they've put in the lehenga, which I feel is a element which is very important to women because very often, women are the ones who carry more stuff than men. So I always wonder why men have pockets and women don't. So I'm really happy that they've added this and I'm very happy to be a part of this show.
Thank you so much for that. That's all for me. I'm going to open the floor to questions. Media, if you have any.
See, what we try to do is we have a whole team who works in-house with us. So beyond that, if we face any difficulty, generation after generation, yes, we're facing difficulties because the younger generation is not interested. They're not liking to get into the same craft because the employment wages are very less. But see, that's what we're living with. That's what the culture, what India is all about. So we try to bring them slightly up in terms of, we provide them slightly higher wages because we don't want to let the craft die. We do a lot of hand block prints and there are very minimum people who are available in the country who are doing hand block prints. There are very few karigars left these days in the country. So जितना हमसे हो पाता है हम उतना जितना अपनी पॉकेट से ज़्यादा दे पाते हैं वो हम करके we try to make them more lucrative ताकि वो काम कर पाएं उस चीज़ के अंदर. And we also make a constant endeavor wherein we try to educate them simultaneously as well so that they don't feel left out from the rest of the world also. जैसे अभी 2 दिन पहले sustainable show वाले दिन Artisans of Digital Age का show था. So that's what we are catering to now and that's what every young designer should focus on now. Because जब तक आप education को आप साथ में लेके नहीं चलेंगे craft के साथ कोई भी कारीगर काम नहीं करेगा. सी द यंगर जनरेशन अगर उनको आप ले आएंगे अपने साथ काम करने के लिए तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा रिसेप्टिव है. मतलब उनकी लर्निंग उनकी ग्रास्पिंग पावर इतनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि मतलब आप शायद 2 शब्दों में समझा लेंगे वो उसे पहले ही समझ जाते हैं. सो दैट्स देयर इन द यंग ब्लड टुडे.
Thank you so much, everyone. Request our panel to please come to the front. We'd like to take a couple of pictures.